Here I've got Nokia 7 Plus, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here scroll down a bit and click on security and location. Now tap on fingerprint, and if you truly want to set it up, click on setup screen lock. You have to have some backup for your fingerprint, so at first we will set up pattern, pin code or the password, so it's up to you. I will choose pattern. Just draw the pattern, click on next, and now draw it one more time for confirmation and click on confirm. And now decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, if you would like to hide sensitive ones, or if you want to see notifications at all once your device is locked. So let me hide sensitive content and click on done. Now just confirm the pattern to continue to add a fingerprint and click on add fingerprint. So click on continue if you still want to unlock your device with fingerprint only. Now turn your device around and put your finger on the sensor, just like that. And as you can see here, let's click start and got it, and let's do it. So as you can see, I'm just lifting my finger and adding the fingerprint. And as you can see, the fingerprint has been added. Click on done, and from now on you will be able to unlock your device with fingerprint only. That's it, just like that. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.